Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. Well, I wanted to start the new year off right with something really innovative. I think you're going to love this. This was sent to me by my friend Marie Langdon at Midland Paper. This was designed by Trezzolo Communications Group, printed by Alpine Litho-Graphics, and photography is Andrew White. So this was for the Dream Gala for client JDRF. And this is actually a reversible two-way angled gate. So I've shown some different angled gates on Fold of the Week before, but this one is truly reversible. I think you're gonna love the design and how the whole campaign works together. So it's got some nice varnish effects going on. It says illumination on the cover. Opens up like this, angled, and you can see this is a two-way angled gate. So gates in at angles and gates in the other direction at angles. And so it's got this really nice layout, and then it opens up all the way. There's this kind of clear acetate printed insert with really nice photography on it. So keep that in mind. I'll show you the program in a minute and how they pulled the whole thing together. But so this is neat. So this is the dimensions are important, by the way. This is 16 3/4 by 9 9/16. And the thing about an angled gate is that if you don't get the angles right and the measurements, the final trim dimensions right, you get this weird mismatch, like the angles won't match up. So that's really important. So anyway, it says, keep folding this invitation to keep event details visible. So if you go like this, and fold it this way, and fold it this way, and this way, the date matches up, and the whole spread kind of comes together on the other side. So I love how this reverses and also works in both directions. So just so cool. And then they did, I just wanted to show you guys, they did a beautiful program as well that finishes to the same trim size as the invitation, says illumination. They did this angled cover that wraps. And then on the inside, they've got those acetate photos that overlay. These are really neat because they have overlay photos that change. But so they pulled this whole concept into the program as well. So it's just so well designed and just great. So this is scored and hand folded insert, of course. This feels like about an 80-pound coated cover. So just beautiful. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Reversible two-way angled gate invitation. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.